Well, I'm back with the testing. So now I'm going to connect these wires and test it and see what's going on with it now. You can see I'm connecting the grounds here now. I'm going to tape it, get it out of the way. Now that I'm taped the grounds, I'll link these two wires together, which is the power, constant power, and the remote, which is yellow and red. So I'm going to twist them together like this. You can see, twist together. We're going to connect power to it. And now I'm going to tape it or safety it. So I don't cause something to burn. So as you can see, now it's power on now. And it's also functional. So now it's ready to go back in the vehicle and play now. Thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share and comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.